Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As requested from you guys, I have all of my Secriss collection contact lens right here, and this is by the brand Olens. You guys have requested me to actually review this, so I finally got all four of them. So two of them are grey and two of them are brown. I actually got the volume 1 3Con coral grey first before the other three, and I just have to say it still is like my top 3 favorite contact lens in that Olens collection. And it's been like I've been using this for such a long time now because it's such a beautiful grey color on me. Basically, this Secriss collection is supposed to give you like a 3-tone color to it, and it has been their most popular collection since they released, I guess. Like even when you go on the site, it still says like most popular, and this Secriss one is still one of the top 3 or like their most popular contact lenses. So I thought I'll decide to try the rest and see how they are, whether they are as nice as what I usually tend to go for. So yeah, in regards of the volume, I didn't realize that they actually have version 2. I thought it was just like volume 1 the whole time, so I was actually glad I got all 4 because I was like, oh, we'll see the difference and what it is. So for me, I sort of think that the volume 1 is much more of a lighter shade than the volume 2 for both the grey and the brown. And in regards of the diameter, they are also slightly different. For the volume 1, the total diameter is 14.2, which is the same for volume 2. But for the graphic diameter, the volume 1 graphic diameter is actually 13.5, but volume 2 contact lens graphic diameter is 13.1, which means that volume 1 is actually, the diameter is actually bigger than the volume 2, which means when you actually put the contact lens on, volume 1 actually looks bigger on your eyes than volume 2. Let's talk about the price. So one box is actually $34. Now before you guys say it's really expensive, it's because this is a one-day contact lens which consists of 20 lenses in one box. So if you use it as a pair, that means it's only 10 uses. As you can see that I have a lot is because I have 2 different eye power on my eye, but for me at the same time it means that because I have 2 different eye power, 2 boxes will actually last me for 20 use. Let's talk about the colors first, and you guys are gonna see me looking down at my phone quite constantly just because I took like really close up of all the contact lenses, and I just wanna talk about the comparison and the colors and stuff. So if you see me look down a lot, I'm really sorry you guys, but I just had to look at the picture. So for volume 1 brown, it is much more of like a, I call this like a cat eye look because it has that really light brown color on me. Usually when I wear brown color contact lens, it looks a lot of dark brown or like hazel brown, but for this particular color, it's much more yellower on my eyes, which I thought was actually really nice. It took me some time to actually get used to the yellow color because it was quite light on me, but I like it. So for me, this one looks like there's actually 2 rims to it, which means like 2 outlines. So first I have that really light faded dark brown / black on the outer rim, and then inside you get that mainly yellow light brown color, and then another inside you get that dark brown like wispy look, and then on the inside you get like a golden brown. So for me, this particular color, I feel like there's like 4 layers to it. So if you start from the eyeball side, you get the golden brown, then you get the dark brown, then you get the yellow brown, and then you get the dark brown again. So for me, it's like 4-tone but actually 3-tone color, which I thought was really cool. And for volume 2, just imagine that whole volume 1 colors reverted, so like reversible, like which is a darker version. So on the outer part you get that light yellow outline, and then going in you get that dark brown, and then going in you get that golden brown. And for me, this is much more of a 3-tone rather than a 4-tone compared to the volume 1. If you ask me which one I like more, I guess depending on my mood, if I feel like something to really spark out my eyes or just make my eyes pop way more, I would probably choose a volume 1. But on a regular basis or like a natural day, I would just go for volume 2. At the moment, I'm actually wearing volume 2 right now. So you can see that I am wearing contact lens, but it's actually pretty natural still. So yeah, I just think that these two colors are actually very pretty. You can definitely see the similarities of the patterns, but then the color tone is actually completely different. For the grey one is also very similar. For me, I felt like volume 1 is much more of a cool tone grey compared to volume 2. So volume 1, I feel like again it's very similar to the volume 1 brown, but for this volume 1 grey, I cannot tell you how beautiful this is, because on the outline you get that same dark brown slash black outline, and then towards inside you actually see a lot of that wispiness in that contact lens, because you get a mixture of sky gray, like really cool tone sky gray, and then wispy in between you get like that dark black or like dark gray inside, and then when you go in you get like that dark brown slash light golden brown as well. So for me, this one have a lot going on, but somehow it matches really nicely and just looks really nice on the eyes. Again, I'm very biased toward grey contact lens, guys. I'm sure you guys can tell, and I just thought that this was just really beautiful on the eyes, and I just love this color so much. It just looks so nice. It looks like such a beautiful light grey color contact lens, and I feel like it's just that pattern is just beautiful. Now compared to the volume 2, again same thing, just imagine that contact lens but the darker version, and so same thing, you get that outline, and then inside you get that darker grey color look more than the light grey, and then on the inside you get that dotted pattern between a light brown, light golden brown, and like just very faded blackish grayish look. So this one definitely much more of a darker version than the light grey. If I were to choose one, again I can't choose this two because they are completely different on the eyes, but volume 1 definitely looked way lighter on me compared to volume 2, but both I just love it so much. I actually wore one of them out on a dinner night one time. I actually got compliments for it. People actually asked me, what are you actually wearing on your eyes? It looks like such a beautiful grey color. So even though it felt like it's not like one of those natural contact lens, it somehow looks really natural on the eye once you actually put it on. It actually get attention, guys. Like, it looks that beautiful. So overall, I actually like all 4 of these contact lenses. I feel like they are all just very beautiful, and I can see why they are one of the most popular one in the Olens brand, because who would not like them, guys? So if you guys have tried this, definitely let me know down below, because I know this has been out for a while and I'm quite late in reviewing this, but I hope you guys found this helpful, and let me know what you guys think of this contact lens if you actually have tried it, and let me know what you would like to try next. My next video will be the VV ring collection, so definitely stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!